What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get clients for social media marketing very fast, very easy. This is essentially a foolproof strategy where my closing rate when I get people on the phone is about 75%. So if you guys want to know how to get clients for social media marketing, watch this video because it is going to blow your mind. Now, before I get into the strategy, if you guys are interested in getting some one-on-one private help from me, I am helping people for free right now for 2 weeks at a time. Okay, so basically you get a 14-day free trial of my coaching, and if after 14 days you want to continue being coached by me, you can join my mastermind group and get some one-on-one help from me, and then essentially you pay from there. But if you don't want to, you get to keep all of the stuff that I send you, all of the resources, all the PDFs, all the, hey, how are you? all the courses, it's all good, right? So if that is something that you want to do, click the link in the description and set up a call. Cool? Now, how do we do this totally awesome, amazing strategy? Well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to PyGambot. Now, for those of you who don't know, PyGambot is a data harvester / contact form submitter that will allow you to essentially scrape data from search engines that you can use to contact those websites, in a massive way, right? Like, for example, I just loaded a contact page list of about 100,000 contact pages into the bot, and I'm going to run 3 instances of this for this campaign, okay? So we're going to come over here to the posting tab. We're going to load the setup, which is essentially just this form right here. Form fill setup, Stewart ad copy. Okay. Now, if you notice this subject right here, let us manage your Facebook ads for free. So I know what you're thinking. Why would I work for free? I'm trying to get clients. I don't want to work for anybody for free, blah, blah, blah. But you have to understand that when you're on the phone with somebody, and they know that you know your stuff and you're willing to work for free, everybody's going to tell you yes, okay? Everyone is going to say yes to you, right? You're going to tell them, I'm going to do the work for you for free. They're not going to say no, right? If you know your stuff, okay? Especially if you tell them you're going to do everything for them. So the service that I offer, right, is to create their landing page, write their ad copy, choose the best target audience for them, and essentially do everything for them, right? It's not like I'm like only doing one thing and they have to like pay to unlock this other feature. No, like literally every single thing for them. All they have to do is pay their ad budget to Facebook, and I'll manage their entire campaign for them for free for 2 weeks. Okay, now you might be thinking, why would I do this? Okay, why? What's the trick here? Why am I just like a nice person? Am I like independently rich? No, neither. The answer to those is no. I have 2 motivations for doing this. Number 1 is the obvious one. If I do a good job for them, they might hire me, right? If I do a really good job and I build a relationship with them, and if I communicate with them, and if I help them along the way, and if I teach them all kinds of stuff that they didn't know before, and they get to like me, they're going to want to work with me, and they're going to pay me every month for the privilege of working with me. That's number 1, okay? That's just how it is. Number 2 is that in order for them to execute my strategy, they need to sign up for a ClickFunnels account. Okay, now a ClickFunnels account, you get 2 weeks for free, and after those 2 weeks, it's $100 a month. Okay, so essentially I'm going to tell them that in order for them to get this landing page, this totally awesome landing page that I have a template for their specific business, and I really do, whether they're an insurance agent or a restaurant or a chiropractor or, I don't know, whatever, just affiliate marketer, like I have a template for them, and if I don't have one, I can find one, and if I can't find one, I can make one for them. Okay, and I also send them all these templates, and basically they get to keep all of this stuff for free as long as they have a ClickFunnels account that they open using my link. Now, I don't make it quite that explicit, like you have to sign up under my link. What I tell them is that normally the ClickFunnels free trial is 14 days, which is true. That's normally what you get. However, I have a link that will give you 30 days for free, okay? So basically, I give them this link, and I say, like, make sure you use my link because you get 30 days for free. And already in their head, they're doing the calculation, oh, wait, let's say I work with him for 2 weeks, and then I don't like him. I can still have my free landing pages for another 2 weeks for me to learn like how to do this stuff on my own, right? So, I mean, I know they're not going to come out and say that, but I kind of know that that's already what they're thinking. And I would love to get more ClickFunnels affiliates. And ever since I started doing this strategy, my success rate, once I get people on the phone, is very high. Everybody's going to tell me yes. And if I don't get them, for the ad management, I'm pretty much going to get them for the ClickFunnels account. Because like, this is just going to be the jump start that they need to start doing it on their own, right? Because during this 2 weeks, I'm going to teach them a lot of stuff. I'm going to send them ad templates. I'm going to send them free courses. I'm going to send them free training. All this stuff that like explains to them exactly what they need to do, okay? So, let's see, what are we talking about over here? All right, so this is the message that I'm going to send them. Now, the other thing that I want to point out to you guys is that at the bottom of this email, I have basically a call to action where I'm saying like, schedule your appointment here if this sounds good, you want to learn more, and you want to sign up. All right, so I've got this link right here in the email that I'm already sending to them. Now, why is this important? Because when you're contacting so many people, you don't want to have a lot of back and forth, right? That's the reason I made this email so descriptive and like explaining what I do, because I don't want to like have to answer a lot of questions to them. Obviously, some people are going to email you, they're going to want to know like more details before they get on the phone. That's fine. But like, this is really just designed to like get them to get on the phone with me ASAP. And then one thing that I'm testing here is that like I'm showing them the type of landing page that they'll get, which is actually this is my website, mychiropractorfunnels.com/example. This is a really, really nice, polished, like awesome looking chiropractor landing page. Now, the reason I'm testing this and I'm not really sure how well it's going to work is because on the one hand, it's a very nice page. Like, let's take a look at this. Shit, what's going on here? All right. So, like I said, on the one hand, this is like a super nice, like, oh shit, this is not it. God, I hope this works. Yeah, all right, cool. Okay, so this is their page, okay? So this is like their testimonial video. This should load, yeah, with like a lot more other testimonial videos, all right? Google reviews, blah, blah, blah. Okay, now, why do I say that I'm testing this? Because on the one hand, if they're a chiropractor, they'll be like, oh my God, this is perfect, But if they're not a chiropractor, they might look at this and be like, what is this? This is for chiropractors. This is not for me. Like, my business is different. Okay, so I've had pretty good luck with this. I've set about 10 appointments in like 2 days just by sending this out. But what I'm going to try and do now is I'm going to delete this, okay? Because I think I might be shooting myself in the foot. I'm not sure, but we will see, okay? So I'm going to save this setup as Stuart ad copy, no Cairo. All right, campaign saved and start. Max threads, 21. And then I think I have 2 more instances, where I'm going to do the exact same thing. Okay, so you guys get the basic idea. Essentially what you're doing is you're telling people you're going to work for them for free in order to get them to sign on for you. And then just to make sure you're not like wasting your time, you get them as well to sign up for ClickFunnels under the, basically so that, and the reason you're telling them why, number one, because that's how you create the landing pages, and in order for them to control the landing page, they need to have their own account, okay? Because like instinctively, like, one of the things that they might be worried about is like, oh, well, if you have the landing page in your account, then you might like hold it hostage when it comes time to, when the 2 weeks are over, and say like, well, if you want to continue, like, you have to sign up and then we'll give you the landing page, right? But if they know that they're going to have the landing page in their account, then all they have to do is sign up, right, for their own account. And by the way, I give you a 30-day free trial instead of a 14-day free trial. Okay, so it's like, it's something that they are very interested in. Cool. And then I don't have to I don't even have to keep them as a client. I mean, obviously I would prefer to have them as a client because it's more money for me and I can, do other stuff with that money, right? But even if they don't, I'm totally cool with that. Like, I'm totally fine getting another affiliate for ClickFunnels. That's enough for me. So if you guys want clients for social media marketing, it's very easy. Like, just work for free for 2 weeks and try and make that time commitment of yours as worthwhile as possible by doing a really good job by utilizing third-party software that you get an affiliate commission from, right? Like, you can also help them with their email marketing through ActiveCampaign. You can help them with their image stuff through canva.com, right? And you can send them all these affiliate links that will encourage them to sign up for those services so that you get credit for it. Okay? And then even if they don't continue, you still are getting something out of it at least, which, is cool for you. All right, so if you guys want more personalized help on making money online, I'm also offering a free 2-week trial for individuals who are looking to maybe start their own coaching service or create an info product or something like that, or just making money online. Let me know. I'll help you out for free for 2 weeks. Got a link in the description where you can set up an appointment and we'll hop on the phone and we'll figure it out. Cool? Peace.